I'm here at 12014 Northumberland Drive in Tampa. It's in a gated community inside Westchase. I'd like to show you this house. Come on in. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with a pool. You enter into this lovely living room, dining room combination. Walk out to the eat-in kitchen area, the bar, and lovely kitchen. The appliances are all brand new, not even used, and it is gas. Through the family room, we can go out to the pool. It's a saltwater pool. The pavers are all brand new. The roof is 1 year old. The AC system was replaced in January. It's all one level. So the master is here on the first floor, and the second, third, and fourth bedrooms are around the corner. If you'd like more information on this house, give me a call, I'll give you a tour. Or you could download my app, which is Florida Real Estate Search, and you can find this house on there. Thanks a lot. Look forward to hearing from you.